how to unsuspend Twitter account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're wondering how to unsuspend your Twitter account, then you're in the right place. Today I'll show you a quick and easy way to get your account back up and running. First things first, let me tell you that when your account is suspended, you can't access the Twitter app. So you'll need to go to a web browser. You can use Google, Safari, or any browser that you prefer. Open it up, and then in the search bar, search for help.x.com. Tap on it, and then after you access the browser, you'll find the search bar. So tap on it and then search for unsuspend and then hit search. Now, you can see managing your account. Go ahead and tap on it, tap on about suspended accounts, and then scroll down. So, scroll down until you find an appeal. So, go ahead and click on the link. This will take you to a new page where you can submit your request. But remember, you need to be logged in to get your suspended account to proceed. So, uh, what you need to do is it says that you are currently not logged in or logged into an X account that is not suspended or locked. So you can see that since my Twitter account is not suspended, I cannot appeal a ban. However, if your Twitter account is suspended, then from here you can log in and appeal the ban and unsuspend your Twitter account by explaining the problem, why you think that suspending your Twitter account was incorrect, and then you can even attach screenshots and all to prove your case. And that's it. I hope it helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.